What it do, bully crew? Right here, man. We got the Tulip Vienna puppies. Bred to Red Bull. Everybody chowing down. Getting their bellies full. Still have third pick female available. Still have second pick male available. It's first come, first serve. That $500 deposit to lock them in. Lock in your pick. abkc registered. If you're trying to get them with no papers, it's $1,000 and no ear crops, and ready to go by the end of this month. You can text me at 270-317-1952. Located in Kentucky. More than welcome to come pick them up yourself. If shipping is needed, I can do it for an extra $5.50. They're abkc papered. But if you just want a dog for a pet home or no papers, we can do it for $1,000. $500 deposit. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you stay up to date with our content. Leave me a comment. Leave me TV in the comments. Hit that like notification. Definitely appreciate it. Like I said, these puppies will be ready to go by the end of the month. What else? What else? I too fed him. A little runt. He's just now starting to put on weight. But yes, sir. These puppies will be ready to go. Males are 1.5K with papers. Females 2K with papers. I won't be selling the female for no pet home price because somebody will buy her. The little white bitch is staying with me. She came out hard. She's the hardest in the litter, man. She is dope. She's dope. Look at that. She's dope. Move over. Like that. Yeah, she's dope. She's my keeper. You can check out Tulip and Red Bull in prior videos. They have their own independent videos as well as in some of the thumbnails on these litters. All you gotta do is go back and look at the playlist. And you can see what the parents look like. These puppies will all be pocket/micro. That's what Tulip's litter consisted of. All tiny looking dogs. Red Bull and Shotty Low are litter mates. My Mona freaking Lisa Jr. is too. All of them came out super short. Tiana's still pocket. As well as her other two brothers that left. One was a blue brindle, the other one was a fawn with the crazy chest. You can check out prior videos of them and how they looked. Look at him, trying to figure out where to go. He just want to get warm and go to sleep because he got a full belly.
So I hold it and you do it.
What else? What else?
I'm making a challenge when the pony goes in the water.
Like I said, if you're interested in locking them in, text me at 270-317-1952. Early bird gets the worm. Grateful Bully Camp signing off, baby. You know what we do.